Former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV alleged Davao City 1st District Representative Paulo Pulong Duterte and attorney Manasseh Carpio, Vice President Sara Duterte's husband, as drug lord protectors. Duterte and Carpio are among the respondents and 8 other individuals in the illegal drug smuggling complaint filed by Trillanes before the Department of Justice or DOJ on Wednesday, July 31.
Ang naging protektor ay sila Pulong Duterte at Mans Carpio. Tapos ang mga naging facilitators naman ito na naipasok ito at naipuslit palabas ng customs ay sina Faildon, sina Allen Capuyan.
These complaints stemmed from the seized over 600 kilos or 6.4 billion pesos worth of shabu in Valenzuela City in 2017. Former Bureau of Customs or BOC Commissioner Nicanor Faildon was also among the facilitators for the illegal shipment to pass customs inspection.
Ngayon, ganito yung naging sistema. Ang pinakang drug lord dito ay si Charlie Tan, nakapartner ito ni Michael Yang. Magkapareha sila ng triad.
The complaint is allegedly the result of the Senate hearing in 2017 where Duterte was being interrogated. The respondents allegedly conspired to import the contraband by using their powers at that time.
Pero ito yung mga pinilit na pagtakpan nung Duterte administration nung sila ay nakapwesto pa. Kaya ngayon, nakahanap tayo ng magandang pagkakataon na mag-file nitong kasong ito.
Meanwhile, Representative Pulong Duterte said that he welcomed the complaint filed by Trillanes. It would be the local court in the country that will hear the issue and not through social media. The lawmaker emphasized that he is innocent and he is confident his name will be cleared. Other respondents such as Attorney Carpio and former Bureau of Customs Chief Faildon have yet to issue a statement. Dante Amento, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.